Hello, welcome to my channel TechMix. Today I show you how to fix error code FHC01 in Forza Horizon 6. If you find this useful, make subs and like. So, I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first solution is the easier one. You're going to then you can open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right-click on Forza Horizon 6, click Properties, click Install Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play the game. If for some reason that still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can try to do is you can try to update your graphic cards drivers to the latest version. So, open up your web browser. I'll show you NVIDIA first. Go on to nvidia.com, click Drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So, select your graphics card series along with the model and then your operating system. After that, click Find here. And then download the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers on your computer. Now on to AMD, and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Click Resources and Support. Click Drivers here. You're going to scroll down, click Graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series, and then Model. Click Submit, click your operating system, and download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers here and install them. Now, on to Intel. Go on to Intel.com, click on to Support here at the top left corner. Click Download Center, click Graphics here, search for your graphics card here. So, whatever card you have, search for it here. And then download the latest Intel